Hello and welcome to the channel. Okay, y'all, I never thought I would say this, but I caught a possum. It's outside my car. I bought a cage. Yeah, I caught a possum. This is going to be a quick car chronicles because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm reading instructions and trying to figure this out. So yeah, let's go release this thing someplace else because it can't live here. Oh, it's ugly. It's scary looking. I hope you guys can hear me. This is the cage that I bought, and the possum is in the cage. I really don't want to fool with it. I don't want to take the towel off and show y'all. I just want to get it gone. I've been reading the instructions on how to get it out of this cage and release it. So I hope it doesn't try to rush to get out, because y'all, I don't want to hurt it, but I will bludgeon it to death with this shovel if I have to. So let's drive away and take this package someplace else. I have it in the car, and I tell you, I don't like having this creature in my car. I don't like this creature being in my car any more than I like this creature being in my house, in my garden. And I'm halfway tempted to go to my neighbor's house and see if I can get some reinforcements to go with me, because I'm like, whew, the instructions said to unlock the cage and lift the door. I don't know how to lift that door other than sticking my hand at the bottom and scooping it up. And y'all, I'm not trying to do that. I am not trying to do that. Oh, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. It's not making any noise. It bared its teeth, which I think is just a normal response. It's not moving. Ugh. Okay, y'all. I'm when I take the towel off, I'll show you the animal. I think I'm gonna go across the highway and take it over there, because I don't want to drop it off further down the road and it walk its way back, because I was gonna take it a couple miles down the road away from the subdivision, but it looks like they're putting houses or something. I'm gonna go the back way. I'm gonna go the farm way. I'm not gonna go to the highway. No, I'm gonna go across the highway. That's what I'm gonna do. Y'all, my brain, I just don't want it walking back over to my house. But if I take it across the highway, I think that it would have to figure out a way to get across the highway, because animals are smart. All right, y'all, let me figure out how far I'm gonna drive, and then I'll be back, because I'm freaking out. The thing is in my car, y'all. I'm freaking out. I'm driving as fast as I can. I'm probably going too fast down this farm road because I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. But it's probably freaked out because I grabbed one of my dog's towels. And if you all don't know, my dog passed away. And so the towels still kind of smell like my dog. So it's probably traumatized. I know that's probably bad to laugh at, but I've been traumatized for a while now, because I thought for over a month, or right at a month, that the cats were getting in the yard, because I've seen the cats on the camera. But no, and you know how I caught it, you guys? I put rat bait. It's been eating the rat bait, this joker. So I'm on the highway and I'm gonna go, y'all, I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't know. Let me figure it out. Okay, so I drove down the road past the farms and I found some grass area, and I'm gonna try to let it loose over here. There isn't anything over here, so I'm gonna try to let it loose because I'm ready for this to be over. Here it is. That's what it looks like. It's not very big, but there it is. So I'm gonna cover that back up. I'm gonna let it loose. It scurried off, y'all. I couldn't show y'all, but it went up into the wooded area over there, and hopefully that's the end of it. Opposite side of the highway, several miles away from my house, and we are going to pray that it doesn't find its way back to where I live, because that's a hard pass no. It didn't try to run out. It was actually just trying to stay in the back of the cage. So I feel good about that piece. So yeah. Ugh. But as I'm driving away, y'all, I really love where I live. I wish I would have been able to take advantage of some of this farmland, because all of this is farmland, and there's lots of stuff going up. There's lots of construction going here, there, and everywhere. But I pass, as my mom calls, it's the moo-moos. I pass a huge cow pasture over this way. I'm wondering if over here is where the farmer that's behind where I live moved his cows, or if this is a different farmer over here. They have a man-made lake over, there, and they're putting down a road. It looks like they might be widening this road back here, because this is a one-way road, forward and backwards. So that, to and fro. So that's really nice back here. Oh, holy crap! What was that? Hang on, y'all. I hope that is not going to cause a problem, whatever that was, because I've already replaced all of my tires, and the last thing I need or want is my car to be jacked up and in the shop again. I just got it back a couple days ago, so fingers crossed, whatever that was. There's always something in the street in this city. It's just constant stuff everywhere. Now I'm panicked about my car. Oh my Lord. Somebody in a Hertz truck just smashed into something. Ooh, it's debris everywhere. Let me get off this highway. Oh. There's always something going on here. I'm sure you all have seen cows, but I wish I could show you the cows over there. Just tons and tons of cows just out there grazing on the land. Not stuck in some barn somewhere. They're eating grass the way cows are intended to be. All right, y'all, I'm almost home. So yeah, let's pray I don't have any damage to my car. Now that I'm all hot and sweaty, I can finish what I need to do. I made it back home. I need to clean that cage and get it in the shed. So now I've got 2 cages, one for little bitty bunny rabbits, and now this one, raccoons and bigger things. Let this be the end of all of that. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's quick Car Chronicles video of me taking that creature miles down the road and releasing it into the wilderness, and hopefully it does not find its way back here. So until the next video, I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now. Oh yeah, did I mention it? No damage to my car that I can see. I'm so tired of things being in the street. I really am.